Hello everyone, next we'll continue our discussion on strategy, specifically a support strategy within the broader strategy, known as technology strategy. In any project we undertake, we'll inevitably use some form of technology, particularly in high-tech projects. The technological requirements are even greater. If you possess advanced technology or even patent technologies, you can become a global leader and reap significant financial rewards. In this technology strategy, first let's understand what a technology strategy is. First, we know that strategy is about positioning and direction, a positioning and a plan, right? Similarly, technology strategy is also a plan regarding technology. It's a plan about technology maintenance and development. What is technology maintenance? It's about utilizing existing technologies, a plan to create more things with it. As for technology development, it's about creating new technologies, researching and developing them. Technology will inevitably evolve from immature to mature. The overall technology strategy is about technology maintenance and technology development. Let's think back to the Pissarri's innovation canvas we saw earlier, also known as the innovation landscape map. It mentions that innovation can involve technological innovation and business model innovation. Whether it's technological or business model innovation, both are quite challenging. Yet, no matter how hard, in the world, there are always companies that are exploring new technologies. Take mobile communication, for example. Phones used to be on 1G, 2G networks. Then came 3G. With 3G, Qualcomm dominated the market and its intellectual property. So many companies could only make very little profit. Despite their efforts, they made very little profit. And in our country, if you want to stick with the old ways, it's very hard to catch up. So what do? We went straight to developing 4G and 5G. So when it came to 5G, always 5G came out, along with other companies, of course. With this breakthrough in 5G, we were able to compete to lead the way. And once we took the lead in 5G, some Western countries, they're saying they'll just skip over 5G and start researching 6G or something even more advanced. This is all about these technology strategies. Of course, there's one thing. These technology strategies, they usually impact our future development quite significantly. And these technology strategies must align with operational strategy, and they align with innovation strategy, because this alignment allows us to innovate more effectively. Down the line,